I can't hold it anymore. No, you can't do that. Close this. Give me back my puppet. It's mine. No, it's mine.
I finished with the pool.
Looks like the kids are having fun in Dad's pool.
I won! I want to go to the restroom. Then, go on. No! What if you take my duck away? If you don't, then... No! Oh, I need to go to the boys' room too. We go on then. No way! You want to take away all of my duck. I can't hold it anymore. No, you can't do that. You can do that. Go to the toilet.
What's wrong, kid?
I want to go to the restroom. I need to go to the boys' room too.
Well, then hurry up to the bathroom.
No, what if...
I've got an idea.
What is he doing? Wow!
Now, you two can go to the toilet anytime you like.
Let's go out all together.
Next time, remember to go to the bathroom before you enter the pool.
Okay, Daddy.
Potty, potty! I will get you! Oh my God, who are you? No, you left! Mama, help me! Let me inside my home! Oh my
The Forgotten Potty. Begin! Yeah, I saw the number 9 first. All done. Let's try number 10. It hurts. I found the number 10. You lost again. You have to drink. Oh, Pica's belly is full of water. I need to go to the toilet. Use the potty over there.
Hi, Pica.
No, I'm grown up now. I don't need a potty. pesky potty.
Potty, potty! I will get you! Oh my God, who are you? No, you left! Mama, help me! Let me inside my home!
Oh my! Pica's scared of a ghost again.
Puka, go to the toilet with me. Just use the potty. I don't want to use the potty. Puka, wake up. Come with me, Puka. Let me sleep.
And so Pica held it in until morning.
Open up. I want to use the toilet.
The toilet is broken. I'm fixing it, Pica.
Ooh, I want to use the toilet.
Pica, you can use me.
Hi, Potty. Where are you?
I'm here. You kicked me here the other day.
Oh no! Pesky Potty. I am sorry.
Use me. You'll feel better right away.
Thanks a lot, Potty. Stay with me, Potty.
And so in the end, Pica realized the importance of the potty.
Eating vegetables to relieve constipation.
Pica is constipated again.
Oh, so Pica is constipated.
This is not good.
You need to eat more fruits.
Oh.
Pica, you need to eat more fruits and vegetables, not snacks. If you want to relieve constipation, you have to eat all of these vegetables.
I'm tired of eating vegetables.
Oh, what's Mommy doing? Eat up, honey.
That's just a vegetable sandwich. No!
I don't want to eat this sandwich. Vegetable. No! I don't want.
No!
Stop! What's going on?
Pica is constipated yet refuses to eat vegetables.
Ah, I have a solution.
Oh, Daddy is making a vegetable smoothie.
All done.
Daddy, it's delicious. Wow! Hooray! Oh, yeah! How are you doing, Pica?
Hey kids, remember to eat vegetables regularly to avoid getting constipated.
To the toilet at the proper place. What's wrong, Pica? I have to go to the bathroom. Oh, I want to go to the bathroom.
Just a second.
Why aren't you in the bathroom? Daddy's still in there. This is so annoying. Why don't you use my old potty? Why don't you use my old potty?
Oh no! Pica threw away the potty.
I've got an idea. You mean the sink? No, Mommy will yell at us for sure.
Oh no! What is Pica up to now?
Use this. No, this is the rice cooker. Pica, wait for me. I cover for you.
Oh no! Mommy's home! What's wrong, kids?
I want to go to the bathroom, but Daddy's in there forever. And I was...
Oh no! Never do that! Come, follow me.
Hey, it's my potty. I thought I threw it away.
Oh, so Mommy brought it back.
Can you guys go outside?
I'm all done. Come on in.
Remember, kids, always do your number 1 and number 2 in appropriate places. Not in public and not in gardens, okay?
Mommy? Don't mess around with the toilet. Yeah. Ugh. Puka, I found a really awesome game. Oh my! The toilet paper isn't going down. Mom and Dad are going to be so mad. Don't come in, Daddy. My stomach still hurts.
This apple is really sweet, honey.
Daddy, come on out. I need to go.
Not yet, buddy. I have to fix this toilet.
Pica, don't do that.
What did you do to make this toilet so clogged? Oh, all right. I fixed it.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I threw the paper in there.
You can't do that. The toilet will clog. Next time, remember that, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Oh no! Pica had an accident.
Hey, did you pee your pants? Huh? Pica had an accident.
Hey, Pica and Puka are sleeping on the couch. Hey, Pica and Puka are sleeping on the couch. Oh no! Pica had an accident. What is he up to? He's trying to air dry his drenched pants. Oh, Puka's up already.
Oh no!
What is he going to do?
You look strange. Are you hiding something behind your back? No, nothing. Gosh, there's a snake on the floor. Hey, did you pee your pants? Huh? Why is it so itchy?
Oh my! It is the bacteria! Where did it come from?
It's from the place you peed.
Guys, charge!
Mommy, help us! Mommy, help us! So scary! That's right! Run, Pica!
Oh my! The bacteria is gone. I have treats for you.
Oh, yay! Thank you, Mommy! Wow, so cool! Wow, so cool!
What that smell?
Oh no!
The bacteria is gone!
Oh no!
The bacteria is gone! Awesome! Wow! Awesome! Wow! There goes the smell!
Pica, did you fall asleep on the couch again?
Yes, Mom! I'm sorry!
Next time, remember to go to the bathroom before you sleep, okay?
Okay, Mommy!
Now, come help me clean the couch.
All right, Mom!